Between ZimaOS and TrueNAS, which network attached storage system would be better suited for 2026? The answer to that is based on whether you prefer greater ease of use or greater control over your storage solutions. ZimaOS is a simpler solution tailored for a less frustrating experience, whereas TrueNAS is more geared toward those who have the desire for more advanced management and control of their systems. The winner here would be ZimaOS. In essence, ZimaOS was developed as a simpler alternative to other solutions out there. It prioritizes ease of use, installation, configuration, and the plug and play nature of things as people who choose a NAS system look for ways to create a personal cloud or backup solution without having to spend countless hours in the process. ZimaOS will suit those looking for a NAS experience akin to that of an appliance rather than a full-fledged server build. Given its lightweight Linux nature, ZimaOS is great at running Docker containers. However, TrueNAS has an entirely different philosophy behind its operation. This is a more versatile solution that provides numerous additional features such as ZFS file system, built-in snapshots, replication, virtual machines, and containerization capabilities with the help of Kubernetes. Hence, TrueNAS may be the better option if user needs extensive data management options. In terms of usability and ease of use, TrueNAS seems to be a more challenging solution compared to ZimaOS. The latter will be simpler to master and launch. TrueNAS will provide users with more opportunities and capabilities to use as storage. Thus, if users want simplicity, then ZimaOS is the way to go. When it comes to hardware, many would argue that ZimaOS is a better solution when dealing with lighter configurations and simpler usage scenarios. In addition, it goes great together with the company's hardware devices such as the Zima Cube. On the other hand, TrueNAS is a superior option for custom solutions with a strong focus on storage scalability and performance, especially if there are plans to utilize complex drive configurations and large amounts of data. If all that is needed from a NAS system is file storage, media streaming, and backup capabilities, then Zima OS may prove to be a better choice. In summary, which one is optimal in 2026? If easy installation, a user friendly UI, and an overall easier to use NAS system are what one wants, then Zima OS will do great. On the other hand, if advanced storage capabilities and other scalability are what matters, then true NAS should not be overlooked. In conclusion, the right network attached storage for everyone is different and depends on the level of knowledge and expectations of the end user.